There's something about living, not running away from anything, just knowing that for a while you can leave everything behind. No plans to follow, no need to get anywhere quickly. Just a motorcycle, an open road, and the feeling that something might be waiting around the next corner. Azeitão slowly disappears behind me. The roads become quieter, and without really noticing when it happened, the journey begins to feel different. This is why I love riding. You don't always have to know where you're going. Sometimes it's enough to simply keep moving. There's a freedom in roads like this, just the sound of the motorcycle. The road beneath the wheels and enough space to think. Or maybe not think at all. Are you ready to ride?